Yo, yo, yo. Hey, yo, Alex Jicker checking in. In a trade on GU 38.54. Market's currently at 38.44. Got 8 minutes left. Off 5 contracts at $38. So I'm making $38 per contract. So everything's looking on the up and up right now. I'm gonna make my second trade right now. So it's about to go down. I'll be back with you guys in just a moment. Excuse my background noise. I'm back, you guys. Sorry for the disturbance earlier. Kind of went kind of quick, but 2 minutes left in this trade. Up by 10 pips. I got a pretty good entry on this trade. I got in on this pivot right here. It's an old pivot. I haven't really adjusted, so you see the market break past it and come back down. So basically, you see it goes up, it came back down, and really was testing that 38.50 a little bit. Came back up and came back down, got close to 30.50, bounced back up, and now it's coming back down. But it eventually make its way back up. We'll see. We will see though. I never did a long-term analysis on it, but for short term, I'm in the trade right now. Day trading action. Got a minute left. Minute some change. We in the building. Count is steadily growing, slowly but surely. It's definitely growing. My consistency is definitely getting a lot better. Still get a few hiccups, but not as bad due to money management. If I'm gonna get into a bad trade, I can get out of the trade in a reasonable time where it's not really detrimental to my account. So that's why you see a $141 profit. This was pretty much high risk because look what that would put my account at. I mean that's a few days of profit right there gone. Gone in this one slate. It's gone. But getting a good trade, you're pretty good. We'll let this thing run on out, which y'all know this is just another victory in the record books. Just about to happen. So just trying to make it to the live situation and repeat the process. All right, we're gonna wait till this position settle. Boom. We made it to 1700. Things are looking good. Alex Jenkins checking out.